Well, hello everyone, it's Donna. How are you doing? So, as I had stated, I am getting started on my spring welcome banner that's going to be out by my front door, and I need to get the color of this light. This is more like your warm light instead of the daylight, because if this were daylight, this would be jumping out because this is white. Um, and I don't know. I'm just going to have to get my husband to change out one of those lights, I think. But isn't this going to be absolutely gorgeous? And this is very close to the color of my front door. Oh my goodness, I am getting started on it. It took me a while because I had to rethread the machine, and if I don't run that thing in a while, sometimes it takes me a while to get it going. And then two of my threads needed a what do you call those, a thread net, and then this blue one, while it was stitching out in between here, it needed it, but when it was doing the satin, it didn't want it. So go figure, I don't know. But this one is done, so now I guess I only have, what, 6 more to go. I am starting on it. So I like the colors that I've chosen thus far, so we'll see how it progresses. I hope you stay along and enjoy the ride. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.